If you want to create a rectangle shape in CapCut, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want to add clean design elements, highlight text, create a background box, or make your videos look more professional and polished. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and go to your project timeline. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top menu and click on Stickers. This is where CapCut keeps a variety of visual elements, including shapes you can add to your video. After clicking Stickers, look over to the sidebar on the left side of the screen and click on Shapes. This will bring up the available basic shapes you can use in your edit. Now, you should see different shape options, including a square. Hover your mouse over the square and you'll notice a plus icon appear. Click that plus icon to add the shape to your timeline. Once the square has been added, it will appear in your preview window and on your timeline as an editable object. Now comes the step that turns the square into a rectangle. Click on the shape in the preview, then drag the handles outward to stretch it wider or taller, depending on the look you want. If you drag the side handles, you can make it into a long horizontal rectangle. If you drag the top and bottom handles, you can create a taller vertical rectangle. You can resize it to fit behind text, use it as a design block, or build a custom layout for your video. Take a moment to position it exactly where you want it on the screen. You can also adjust the color and other properties if needed, depending on the style of your project. And that's it. You've now created a rectangle shape in CapCut using the built-in Shapes tool. It's a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in how your videos look. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.